Join me as I dive into the challenge of exploring 150 game-changing AI tools of 2024 and see if I can actually make sense of them all. In today's fast-paced tech landscape, AI tools are revolutionizing industries left and right, and it's an exciting time to be alive. From automating mundane tasks to augmenting human creativity, AI is altering the fabric of our daily lives. But with so many innovations happening at breakneck speed, it's becoming increasingly difficult to keep up with the latest developments. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI tools available, each claiming to be the next big thing? You're not alone. Businesses and individuals alike are struggling to navigate the complex world of AI, trying to figure out which tools are worth their time and investment. It's like drinking from a fire hose. There's just too much information, and it's hard to know where to start. The truth is, keeping up with AI advancements can be a full-time job, and it's easy to fall behind. Even if you're tech-savvy, it's tough to separate the noise from the signal, to distinguish between flashy marketing hype and genuinely groundbreaking technology. And let's be honest, who has the time or resources to thoroughly test and evaluate every new AI tool that comes along? That's why I'm excited to share with you my own exploration of 150 innovative AI tools that are making a real impact in 2024. From natural language processing to computer vision, we'll delve into the unique features and applications of these game-changing tools and explore how they can enhance your productivity and creativity. One of the most exciting tools I'll be sharing with you is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you generate high-quality content in minutes. Another standout is an AI-driven design platform that enables non-designers to create stunning visuals with ease. And then there's an AI-powered chatbot that can help businesses automate customer support while still providing a personalized experience. But out of all the amazing AI tools I've discovered, there's one that I think is going to make the biggest impact in 2024. This tool has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach content creation, and I'm excited to share my insights into its potential and real-world applications. Spoiler alert, it involves AI-generated media, and it's going to change the game. This tool is just one example of the many innovative solutions that are emerging in the AI space. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we're going to see even more groundbreaking developments that will transform industries in our lives. In conclusion, the AI tools I've shared with you today are just the tip of the iceberg. They represent a small sample of the many incredible innovations that are happening in the world of AI. I hope this video has given you a sense of the exciting advancements that are taking place and the potential benefits they can bring to your business or personal life. Thanks for watching, and if you have a favorite AI tool that I haven't mentioned, please share it with me in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into specific categories of AI technology, be sure to check out my next video for more insights and inspiration.